In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make cells bigger in Google Sheets. If you've ever opened a spreadsheet and felt like the text looked cramped, or maybe the content was getting cut off, resizing your cells can make everything much easier to read. In Google Sheets, cells become bigger by changing either the width of a column or the height of a row. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you both quick drag and drop methods and the more precise resize options. Let's start with making cells wider. To do that, move your mouse to the top of the sheet, where you see the column letters like A, B, and C. Hover your cursor on the line between two column letters. For example, between A and B. When you are in the right spot, your cursor will change into a double-headed arrow. That's your signal that the column can be resized. Click and drag to the right to make the column wider. As you drag, you'll see the column expand, which gives your cell contents more horizontal space. This is a great option when you just want to adjust things visually and quickly. Now let's look at making cells taller. Go over to the far left side of the sheet, where the row numbers appear. Hover your mouse on the line between two row numbers, such as between 1 and 2. Just like with columns, your cursor will change, letting you know you can resize the row. Click and drag downward to make the row taller. This is especially helpful when you have larger text, wrapped text, or just want more vertical room inside the cells. If you want a more exact size instead of dragging manually, Google Sheets also gives you a precise resize option for columns. Right-click the letter of the column you want to adjust, then select Resize Column. A small box will appear where you can type your preferred width in pixels. The default width is 100 pixels, so you can increase that if you want more space. Once you enter the size you want, click OK, and the column will update immediately. You can do the same thing for rows. Right-click the number of the row you want to resize. Then choose Resize Row. Enter the height you want in pixels. The default row height is 21 pixels. After that, click OK and the row will resize to your chosen height. And that's all it takes to make cells bigger in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.